dear parents, can we begin our Culminating Day program?
Yes.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, and my dear parents. We have gathered here. We have gathered here for our first Culminating Day program of 4th grade. I feel wonderful to be a part. Of our Culminating Day program.
Yes, of course. I'm excited to see what's going to unfold before us today.
To begin the program, I would like to call upon Vanchika to deliver the welcome speech.
Culminating Day activity presents an organized conceptual networking of skills based on the understanding of concepts by the students. It becomes a reflecting tool for ascertaining facts about various topics. We, the students of grade 4D, are privileged to welcome each one present for the first culminating activity of phase 1. Well, what do we have here?
A small skit on crops.
So let's see. I am great and very important. That's not true. I am that. I'm the most important thing in the world.
Oh, come on, stop it. You must behave. We have audience here.
Oh yes. Hello. I am wheat. I am a food crop. I am grown for direct consumption. Oh hi. I am cotton. I am a cash crop and get for selling rather than direct consumption. I can easily be cultivated and stored, whereas cash crop cannot be stored directly. Cash crop needs to be processed, else it will rot and decay. I am so precious that they will have to take care of me very well. Whereas the food crop doesn't require much care, they are cheap. But you consume too much time and energy. But I'm low in maintenance.
Stop it!
How can you conclude this? Cheating pulling me down.
I think you should stop fighting against yourself. So, I think, food crop, you constitute the second right of humankind. Cash crop, you are good source of revenue. So I think you should stop fighting against yourself and embrace the importance of each other.
Thank you. It ended well.
Like plants, animals too live in many different places. To survive in such places, they develop many adaptive physical features. I would like to call upon my friend to talk about adaptive features in animals based on their habitats.
Terrestrial animal are the animals that breed on liver and readily live on land.
I am a camel. I am a terrestrial animal. My adaptive features are I have powerful sense organs and spongy legs to walk and run fast. I have lungs to breathe and a thick layer of skin to protect myself from the extreme heat and prevent loss of water.
I'm a large carnivorous mammal known for its social behavior and distant in males, especially in males. I possess sharp teeth and incisive sword-keeping which blends well with the dry grassland and savanna. This helps us to approach, brave this undetected.
I am a large herbivorous mammal, not with a long trunk and tusks. I exhibit efficient swimming. Specialized respiratory organs like gills and locomotive structures like fins or flippers. Some athletic animals have color patterns or body shapes that help them blend in with their surroundings, providing them camouflage from prey or predators. Hello, I'm a fish. I'm an aquatic animal. I have gills to breathe in water. I have waterproof covering scales around my whole body to prevent excess water entering my system. I have fins to swim smoothly in water, and I am seen in various colors.
Hey, I am a whale. Do you know I've evolved a range of fascinating adaptations that allow me to thrive in aquatic environments. These include a streamlined body shape that reduces drag and allows for efficient swim. The folds are modified into flippers or paddles specialized for swimming. The thick layer of blubber, a type of fat that lies beneath the skin, providing insulation against cold ocean temperatures. I can slow my heart rate and reduce blood flow to non-essential organs during dives, conserving oxygen. I breathe in through blowholes, which are modified nostrils located on top of their heads.
Hope you have enjoyed the program because we do have lots of fun putting it up for you. Learning and understanding a concept is fun when we involve all our senses. Now my friends are going to represent a PowerPoint presentation of social science topics which we will learn in this place. Nature has a great simplicity and therefore it's a great beauty. Plant a tree, not for you, not for me, for the future. Plants a tree, plants a home. Hope you have enjoyed the program. For a better tomorrow, plant more trees and make this planet a better place to live in. Parts of a plant. A body of a plant is divided into two main parts. The part below the ground is called roots. The part above the ground is called shoot. It consists of the stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Root absorbs water and minerals. Stem supports the plant's body. Root protects the seed. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Flower helps in reproduction.
Roots help the plant stay fixed into the soil. They provide water to the plant by taking mineral salts from the soil. The roots of some plants store food prepared by the plants.
Stem keeps the plant upright and straight. It is the backbone of the plant. It helps in carrying food and water to different parts of the plant. Stems of some plants store food prepared by the plant. Photosynthesis is the process of preparing food by the green plants with the help of carbon dioxide gas from the air and water and mineral salts from the soil in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. During this process, plants give out oxygen and water vapor. The food that the leaves prepare is kind of a sugar called glucose. Glucose is used by the plants for its growth to make flowers, fruits, seeds and to repair any damages. The remaining glucose is changed into starch. The remaining glucose is changed into starch. The glucose is stored by the plants like roots, stem, flowers and seeds.
Transpiration. It is the process of loss of water through the tiny openings called stomata. These are present on the underside of the leaf.
Social animal are the animal that give birth to young or adult mammal or human parents.
Distinguishing feature of mammals. In mammals, the young ones develop inside the mother's body. Mammals feed their young ones with their own milk. Mammals have hair all over their body. Did you know that whales' forelimbs are modified into flippers for swimming? Monkey man apes forelimbs have strong, good grasping power. Bats' forelimbs are modified into wings for flight. Zebras, cows and horses have strong hooves on their limbs, and flesh-eating animals like tiger and lion have soft pads on their limbs. Life cycle of a butterfly. Eggs hatches into tiny larva caterpillars. Caterpillar larva feeds on leaves and upside down to form the pupa. Chrysalis or pupa undergoes complete metamorphosis to emerge as a butterfly. Adult butterfly lays the eggs. The female butterfly lays eggs in the cluster on the underpart of the leaf. An egg hatches into a larvae. A larvae is much more different than an adult butterfly. A larvae looks much more like a worm than an adult butterfly. A larvae of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. It eats leaves and grows quickly. Caterpillar forms a shell around its body called cocoon. This process is called the pupa. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar changes its shape.
Finally, the adult butterfly comes out of the pupa.
I hide my treasure in the ground. My tail is big and fluffy. If you spot me on a tree, please don't call me Scruffy.
How have we excellent excellent. Now I call upon my friend Amar and it's a propose a vote of thanks.
Honorable guests, it is my privilege to be asked to propose a vote. Thanks for this occasion. I, on behalf of this entire group of class 14, would like to thank our principal ma'am and coordinator ma'am who gave this wonderful opportunity to display our talent. I would like to give my sincere thanks to all the teachers who trained us well for this event.
I would like to thank all the parents for giving their precious time. Hope you have enjoyed the program because we do have a lot of fun putting it up for you. Last but not least, I would like to thank our support staff for arranging all the things. Now I wish all the parents